One of the very interesting questions I get asked most of the times is about something called a lens hood. Most people ask me, why do we need a hood? And there are some lenses which actually come without the hood as well, and they want to know why should we actually put the hood when they're taking a picture, especially when they're using a wide angle lens.
By the way, can I please request you to subscribe to this channel so that you get all the updates that we send. Also, it's a good idea to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications when we have new content.
Well, there are a few reasons for it. One is pretty much to control the lens flare which happens on your shot, especially if you're shooting backlight images. Let's say the sun is right in front of you and you're taking a picture of a subject, or if the sun is really at an angle towards the front of you and you're taking a photograph, and the rays of the light from the sun actually pass through the lens front element and create this flare in your photograph. If you don't want that flare and if you don't really intend to get that flare, it's a great idea to use a hood. And for example, if I'm taking a picture now, light coming from here or top would actually not reflect through the front element of your lens and not create this unwanted hazy effect or flare. Secondly, it's pretty much a protective gear for your lens, because the lens front element is really very expensive to change, right? If you get a scratch or if it breaks, it's very expensive to change. For now, I can actually take damage or pretty much a little bit of a dent on this without really having a problem on my lens's front element as well. So that's one more reason. Let's say there is some small drizzle happening and there are some raindrops falling down, or there is mist and there is fog, and you don't want that to fall directly on the front element of your lens. So it's pretty much a useful thing to have. But when I see some people going on safaris, and especially when the light is getting very low, it's 5:30, 6 o'clock in the evening, I have seen a lot of people who use telephoto lenses who remove the hood and they start doing photography when the hood is removed because the light is low. When I ask them why do they do that, they say because the light is low, I'm removing the hood. It's kind of not really a smart way to do it, because the hood, when it's on, will never really cut the light which the lens is able to see. Because remember, where you actually need light is not coming and falling into the lens, but falling on your subject. As long as there is light on your subject, with the hood or without the hood, the camera can see that light anyway. So please don't remove the hood just because you think it is dark and you need more light. So always use the hood, which is a very important protective gear for the camera. I never take pictures if the lens is designed with a hood. I always have my hood on, unless I'm explaining why like now.